Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best anniversary box is probably one of the most thoughtful and memorable ways to celebrate a special milestone with your loved one, offering a curated collection of items designed to evoke shared memories, foster connection, and create new experiences together, making it a truly unique and personalized gift that speaks volumes about your relationship and the journey you've shared. Number 5. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit. Celebrate your special bond with the original hand casting kit for couples. It's the perfect way to create a lasting keepsake of your connection. This all-in-one kit provides everything for a simple yet meaningful experience. With clear instructions, you can easily create a beautiful memento. Looking for a unique gift for your partner or a favorite couple? This DIY kit turns a special moment into a heartfelt treasure that lasts forever. Experience the difference with our premium casting kit. It captures every detail, ensuring a professional-grade result that you'll be proud of. Ideal for anniversaries, weddings, or just a special date night. Turn a memorable moment into a unique work of art you can cherish. Make a lasting impression with this thoughtful DIY kit. It's a meaningful way to show you care, perfect for any occasion. What we like. This kit offers a complete package for creating a detailed hand mold. If you're looking for a straightforward, high-quality result that captures every detail, this is the one. It's perfect for couples wanting to create a tangible memory of their connection. What people say. The detail was excellent, and the product behaved just as the directions described. The hand casting kit was super easy to use. There's enough room in the large couple size for both my large hand and wife's average hand. We were very impressed and surprised with the amount of detail in the finished cast. It even captured our fingerprints. Number 4. Koogel DIY Explosion Photo Album Gift Box. This isn't just a gift box, it's a canvas for your most cherished memories. You get to design every detail, making it a truly personal expression of your love and care. Watch as it unfolds to reveal layers of surprises, each holding a special photo or memento. It's designed to create a touching and unforgettable experience for your loved ones. With space for up to 36 photos and multi-layered designs, you can organize your memories by theme. Each section opens to reveal a story, like flipping through a personal time album. It comes with a rich set of DIY accessories, including photo corner stickers, colorful pens, and more. Everything you need is included to make your gift uniquely yours. When opened, this box dramatically unfolds, revealing 4 layers of cards ready for your photos. The center can even hold a small gift, adding an extra layer of excitement. This versatile gift box is ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, and more. It's a creative way to capture and share precious moments like travels, weddings, and family gatherings. What we like. This option provides a deeply personal and customizable gift experience. If you love to add your own creative touches and want to showcase a large number of cherished photos, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want to tell a story through pictures and personal messages. What people say. The quality is pretty good, the paper it is made of is thick and the stickers it came with were a cute bonus. The Koogel Explosion gift box is a really creative and fun way to make a personalized gift. When it opens up, it's truly stunning and adds a personal touch that regular gifts just don't have. Number 3. Vienrose Explosion Gift Box Album. Looking for a unique way to surprise your loved one? This gift box unfolds layer by layer, revealing hidden pockets and a special compartment for your most cherished memories and gifts. Open it up to discover a cascade of surprises. Each layer holds a new delight, with hidden pockets perfect for fun cards and keepsakes. The final layer reveals a special box, ready for your personal touch. Forget the hassle of assembly. This surprise box comes as a finished product. Simply add your favorite photos and personalize it to create a truly one-of-a-kind gift. With multiple layers designed to hold various photo sizes, you can easily fit over 60 of your precious moments. It's the perfect way to showcase your journey together. This complete set includes the finished explosion box, fun organ cards, DIY cardboard, decorative flowers, tape, stickers, and colored pencils. Everything you need to create a memorable gift is right here. We stand by the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help ensure your gift is perfect. What we like. This product is perfect for those who want a stunning presentation without the hassle of assembly. If you're looking for a gift that unfolds with multiple surprises and includes a special compartment for a small gift, this is a fantastic option. It's great for making a grand gesture with minimal effort. What people say. The pens that it comes with are awesome and work great on the black stock paper it's made of. The DIY aspect allowed me to personalize it with our favorite photos and memories, making it truly special. The quality of the box is impressive, and the explosion effect when he opened it added a fun touch that really wowed him. Number 2. Wanateber Explosion Box DIY Gift. This is a unique gift box that looks like a regular present when closed. But when you open it, all the sides fall back, revealing a beautiful, multi-layered card filled with your cherished memories. This surprise box has a special secret inside. Once it's open, you'll find a small gift box nestled within, perfect for holding a ring, watch, or necklace to delight your loved one. This picture box is designed to hold over 20 of your favorite photos. It comes with fun magic cards and blank cards, allowing you to write down and record all your happy memories together. Show your love with this thoughtful gift, perfect for engagements, weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, or any special day. Let your loved one feel your heart through your warm touch. When opened, it expands to an impressive 13.8 by 13.8 inches, yet folds down to a compact 4.7 by 4.7 by 4.7 inches. It's designed to beautifully display your photos of various sizes. Inside, you'll find the DIY explosion box, a surprise gift box, ribbons, stickers, paper sunflowers, double-sided tape, magic cards, graffiti cards, and letter stickers to help you create a truly personalized gift. What we like. This box offers a dynamic and surprising reveal, perfect for creating excitement. If you want a gift that literally opens up to reveal your memories and has a hidden spot for a special item, this is a great pick. It's designed for maximum impact and a memorable unboxing experience. What people say. Perfect to surprise a loved one with a special and cute design. It has many different pull-out crafts that would be perfect for hiding little surprises like a ring that are also pretty customizable. It looked amazing and its durability is good and makes good for keeping memories. Number 1. Pokemon TCG, 25th Anniversary Deluxe Pin Collection. Get ready to celebrate a monumental milestone in the Pokemon trading card game. This special collection commemorates 25 incredible years of battles and adventures. Unleash the power of a legendary Pokemon with an exclusive foil promo card featuring Zacian LV.X. This card is a must-have for any serious collector. Show off your Pokemon pride with a stunning, deluxe enamel pin. It features both flying and surfing Pikachu, capturing iconic moments in its design. Expand your collection with 4 Pokemon TCG Celebrations 4-card booster packs. You'll also receive 2 additional Pokemon TCG booster packs for even more chances to find rare cards. Dive into the digital world with a code card for the Pokemon trading card game online. Continue your adventure and battle with friends online. An information sheet is included to guide you through everything this collection has to offer. Discover all the details and make the most of your new items. What we like. This collection is a must-have for any Pokemon fan celebrating a milestone. If you're looking for a special item that combines collectible art with trading card game elements, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for collectors and fans who appreciate the nostalgia and excitement of the Pokemon universe. What people say. She proceeded to get a hit in 70% of her packs. This was a super box. Gyarados Team Rocket Hall Classic. Blastoise Classic, a couple of other bangers. The packs of cards were unopened, and the packaging was great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.